My favorite aluminum door and window for 2025 award goes to Western Window Systems. You say, Jeff, why Western? Well, why not Western? I mean, like, they make the biggest and the best and the strongest. I mean, look at the thickness. Look at the gauge of the aluminum on this track. Look how well that's built. I mean, this stuff is so good, so durable. Ting, ting, ting. I mean, you could literally put anything you want, just about any size you want, into any opening you would have on your home and do it with this Western product and go, wow. This is about a 400-pound panel. This panel right here is 6 feet wide and it's 11 feet tall, and watch how it rolls. Look at that. I mean, this stuff is so well built. It has the best quality glass in the industry, like all of the windows I sell, Cardinal glass. It uses the highest quality extruded anodized finishes in aluminum, which an anodized finish is really like one of the strongest finishes you can get out there. It's very scratch resistant. It looks really good. Now, if you get a good one. Now, there's cheap anodized aluminum, which has a lot of striations, but as you can see on this one, look how smooth and how clean that finish is. It's just gorgeous. And not only that, they have some of the most beautiful windows that pair with their doors that you can get on the market. It's one of the best products, one of the best looking products that you can find. Now, aluminum is not for everyone. Aluminum is going to have a little more contemporary style. As you notice here, it's got a really nice narrow profile. Some people want that. Some people want this more contemporary look. Other people say, no, Jeff, I really want more of the look of, a traditional home. But if you're looking for more of a contemporary style look, and you like to have a lot of view and a lot of glass, and you maybe have a big opening, you should really consider Western Systems for your home. So if you're looking for a great window company near you, check out my website, thewindowexperts.com. I have a list there of great window companies all over the country. I probably know someone near you. If you live in the Houston area or DFW, check us out. We'd like to get to meet you, shake your hand, learn more about your project.